Namayapa na ang ina ni Senator Raffy Tulfo, na si Mother Caridad Tulfo. Ngayong araw mismo, Agosto 27, na maalam ang kanyang ina. At ito ang mensahe ni Senator Raffy Tulfo sa kanyang mother. Dear Mommy, there are no words to describe how very thankful I am to you for bringing me into this world. I am not going to be who I am today if not for your love and care that you unselfishly showered upon me since the beginning of our life. Paalam, Mommy. Mahal na mahal po kita. Pati ang asawang niyang si Jocelyn Tulfo ay may mensahe rin ito sa kanyang ina. It is with deep sadness that we share the news of the passing of our beloved Mrs. Caridad, Mommy Caring Tulfo, Noy mother-in-law and mother of Senator Raffy Tulfo. Your warmth, wisdom, love and your memories will live with us forever. In this difficult time, may we ask for your thoughts and prayers for our family.